Gendarmenmark. This area right here inside of downtown Berlin was once said to be the most beautiful square north of the Alps in Germany. Behind me they're doing construction right now, so we're not able to see it, but it was beautiful gardens in the flat area where the Nazis would do their major parades. Inside the center of that square is Friedrich Schiller. An interesting fact about that, when the Nazis took over and paved over this general area here, they took that statue apart and disassembled it to the four winds. They recovered all the pieces, put it back together, and hence they're reinstalling it inside the center square to its rightful place. They're working on it right now to bring it back to its former glory. Behind us right here you can see one of the beautiful buildings with statues and monuments that were created by the German people. So thank you, and we're going to take a few more spots around Berlin and give you a little bit of background of what's happened before and after the wall has come down. So here we go. Here we are at the East Side Gallery. We are standing in front of the largest section of wall that remains in Berlin. 1.3 kilometers long. It's been transferred into the largest outdoor art gallery in the world. The art on this wall transforms from political statements to statements of beauty and joy. The German people have preserved this wall for memories of what has been in the past, but what is hopes for the future. Berlin is transforming in a major way, and this is just a part to preserve the past. So it's called the East Side Gallery, but it's actual the wall that Mr. Gorbachev and Mr. Reagan decided to tear it on down. So here we're standing on the opposite side of the Brandenburg Gate. The Brandenburg Gate was in the Soviet sector when the city was divided between the American sector and the Soviet sector. But when the wall went up in 1962, there was an arch put in the wall and basically made an exclusion zone where neither side had access to the wall. In 1961, when the wall was taken down, a very large celebration was held here to reunite both east and west of the city. And the first New Year's, the entire city came to celebrate at the wall as a symbolic reunification of the city. So another interesting little fact with the Brandenburg Gate right here, directly behind me is the Embassy of the United States. So you can see that building there, probably one of the more secure buildings in Berlin. Obviously, we're paranoid people are going to break in. So right here, this brick wall right here is actual where the wall was. You can see it, they're basically preserving it, and you can see the arch that went around to exclude the Brandenburg from east and west side.
Tell us where we're going.
We're going to Potsdam.
Okay. That's got to be the shortest reply I've ever gotten.
So when Gary Powers was shot down with a U-2 and was held hostage by the Soviet Union, the terms of the agreement were consummated, and basically the spies got together in this famous bridge, and here we are at the Bridge of Spies. Now, Garrett has decided to make a goal. He's making a public announcement of some performance that he's going to do. Go ahead, Garrett. What are you going to do?
I'm going to, before you guys leave tomorrow morning, have that hard drive organized so that you can take it back and upload that footage.
That is a public announcement.
Yes.
Garrett has just got through making a public. You all heard it.
We do.
It's recorded on a video. Garrett, you are You are stepping up, man. I am proud of you. Kitty pinch. Hey, good job.
I don't think.
Hey,
Come on,
oh boy, hey.
Massimo! Mamma mia, Roberto.
I hire the cook. I don't do the cook.
Bravo.
So we got the potato. We're here in the restaurant in Berlin, Germany. Massimo is from Florence, Italy. He's a Tuscan, but he does his restaurant here in Berlin. So it's fantastic. We're here in the kitchen right now. Since 1979, he's been making a living here in Berlin.
Yeah.
Your job is to make me look good.
Yes, sir.
Now, can you do that?
Yes, sir.
I want the flames this high.
Yes, sir.
I want it vibrant. Hey, folks.
Let's do 20 seconds warm it up. Then you take the crevettes like this. Yeah?
Yeah,
I don't know, you have handlings because you have a restaurant.
I can do it.
Okay, perfect. So, let's go.
Let's go.
So, sir,
So now, not too much.
creamy pizza.
Careful.
Perfect. Wow. Good skills. Pick it up. More easy. Take it all inside with lots of. Yeah, it's a fresh garlic sack. And now, give it this. Take with the left hand this. And when I make the vodka inside, make only like this, yeah?
Okay.
Okay, so I'll make it along the vodka. So this is fresh water, yeah? And put it up. No, no.
Mamma mia! Viva Bob Campana!
You should open a restaurant.
So we get one. Nice. Yeah, perfect. Yeah, perfect. Very nice. Bravo, Mr.
Very nice.
Cookie dough.
Italian.
It's good.
Take go.
Here, you ready?
Pretty.
All
All thanks to Bob. Bob in the kitchen.
Bob in the kitchen.
This is all the input with
AM good soul.
for tomorrow. Now they're cleaning up the kitchen, getting ready to go. So visiting this restaurant, these guys have been absolutely fantastic. I cannot tell you how much I have enjoyed my experience, and they are just #1 in my book.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
I hope
It's been
we see you
a true
again.
honor. You will see us again. We come by TV next year. We're going to come to this restaurant
Thank
for
you.
sure.